Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that your device did not respond for any touches, then you can try to force restart it, and it's very simple. All you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is right here, and the volume up button together. So let me do it, let's try. Just ignore this panel and wait. And as you can see, the screen turned black, and I will keep holding it until or maybe I can release it. And as you can see, I thought I will feel the vibration, but no. Here we've got the developer logo, so it means that we just successfully reset our device. So we have to wait, it will be turned on, and after that, I hope that the screen will get back to its normal state and you will be able to use it normally. So actually this is it. This is how to force restart your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.